Hi, welcome to the series of video lectures on pulse and digital circuits. So we are discussing unit 2. The name of the unit is non-linear wave shaping. So in this unit 2 we are discussing clippers. So let us see one problem on clippers. So this is the previous examination question, recent previous examination question. So draw the transfer characteristics of the following wave shaping circuits. Here 4 circuits are given. We have to draw the transfer characteristics of these 4 circuits. So basically the operation of these circuits is very simple based on the diode forward bias condition and reverse bias condition. So let us solve these problems one by one. So let us take the first circuit. Let us take the first circuit. What is the first circuit? Simple circuit. It is given as resistor and diode. Simple circuit is given. This is a very simple circuit. Resistor and diode. So here no biasing voltage is given. So no biasing voltage is given. So Vi of t. So this is the V0 of t. So the operation is very simple. So when Vi is less than 0, so only two conditions. So when Vi, the input voltage is less than 0, so what is the condition of diode when the input is less than 0? The diode is reverse biased. As from the basic properties of the diode, the input is less than 0. So therefore what is the condition of the diode? Diode is off, diode is reverse biased, therefore diode acts as off switch, the diode is off. So therefore the diode is off, it acts as open circuit. It acts as open circuit. So therefore once it acts as open circuit, what is the output voltage? Output voltage is equal to input voltage. So that is V0 of t is equal to Va of t, or V0 is equal to Va. You can also write like that, V0 is equal to Va. So or simply you can write, so V0 is equal to Va. So during this region. So second case, let us take the second case. When the input voltage is greater than 0, from the basic properties of the diode, when the input voltage is greater than 0, the diode is forward biased. So therefore it acts. So therefore it is on. Therefore it acts as short circuit. So therefore when the input voltage is greater than 0, the diode is forward biased. Therefore it acts. That the diode is on. It acts as, when the diode is on, ideal diode acts as short circuit. So once it is short circuit, let us take a simple equivalent circuit. Under this condition, when the diode is acting as short circuit, you can represent short circuit like this. So what is this is the input voltage. So that is Va is greater than 0. So the input voltage is greater than 0. The diode acts as short circuit. What is the output voltage across short circuit? The output voltage across short circuit is 0. So therefore, based on this, let us represent the transfer characteristics, because it is asked to mention the transfer characteristics. Very simple. Transfer characteristics. What are the equations for output voltage? So V0, so that is equal to Vi. When Vi is less than 0. So when Vi is less than 0, so V0 is equal to Vi. So that is equal to 0 when Vi is greater than 0. So assume that in all the 4 circuits, assume ideal diode. So I forgot to mention one point here. So in all the 4 circuits, assume ideal diode. And so as you know the properties of ideal diode. What are the properties of ideal diode? The cut-in voltage is equal to 0. The forward resistance is equal to 0. The reverse resistance is equal to infinity. So therefore, let us draw these, based on these equations, let us draw the transfer characteristics. As you know how to draw the transfer characteristics. What is the transfer characteristics? The transfer characteristics are the characteristics between the input and output. So here represent 0 here. So when the Va is greater than 0, during this region when VA is greater than 0, what is the output voltage? The output voltage is 0. Just represent the output voltage is 0. So when VA is, that is VA is greater than 0, this region. So when VA is less than 0, when VA is less than 0, the diode is open. V0 is equal to VA. You have to mention V0 is equal to VA because VA is negative. So clearly mention the slope of this line. The slope of this line is 1. So that what is the equation? V0 is equal to VA equation. So in this region, when VA is greater than 0, what is the condition? Diode is on condition. Diode is on condition. So therefore, during this region, so the diode is in off condition. When VA is less than 0, the diode is in off condition. So therefore, this is the transfer character. This is the transfer characteristic equation. This is the transfer characteristics curves diagram. You have to mention. So suppose if you take sinusoidal input, let us take one more thing. Let us take sinusoidal input. So as you know, first let us draw the sinusoidal input. When the sinusoidal input is given to our circuit, what will happen? Let us see. So this is the output voltage V0 of t versus t. So when the input voltage, say this is the dotted line is the input voltage. So this is the input voltage VA. So when VA is greater than 0, during this entire portion, the diode acts as short circuit. So therefore the output voltage is 0. You can see that the output voltage is 0. So during the entire negative half cycle, so the diode acts as reverse bias, it acts as open, so therefore V0 is equal to VA. So that means only negative half cycle comes, the positive half cycle is clipped. So this is the output of the circuit when sinusoidal input is given. So this is the first question answer you have to write. Let us take the second circuit. So let us take the second circuit. So what is our second circuit? As said earlier, it is simply based on the diode operation. All these clipping circuits are based on simply the diode operation. So this is the circuit given, the diode D. So represent it as minus plus. This is the bias voltage given to the diode. So this is the VA of t to the circuit. So this is the output of the circuit. So let us see this very simple circuit, how to interpret this circuit. So you can see that VR is negative. So again, I said earlier, when biasing is taken, there are only two conditions. So what is the first condition? When VI, that is input voltage, is less than minus VR, because here see the negative biasing voltage is given. That's why I have taken minus VR. So when the input voltage is less than, when the input voltage is less than minus VR, for example, say this is say minus 2 volts. When the input voltage is here is say, let us say minus 2.1 volts. What happens to the diode? The diode is reverse biased. So the diode is reverse biased, therefore it acts as open circuit. So therefore that is what this condition is. When the input voltage is less than minus VR. Minus VR. What is the condition of diode? The condition of diode is off. Therefore, it acts as open circuit. It acts as open circuit. So once it acts as open circuit, what is the? So therefore, this branch is open. So therefore, what is V0? V0 is equal to VA. The simple equation is V0 is equal to VA. So that is what you have to mention. So let us take. I said earlier only two cases. So when, what is the second condition? When the input voltage is greater than minus VR. When the input voltage is greater than minus VR. That means if here minus 2 is there. So if minus 1.9 is there. So that means, so because the diode is already forward biased. So therefore during this condition when VA is greater than minus VR. So the diode is in on condition. Remember that the diode is in on condition. So for all the values greater than minus 2, minus 1.9, minus 1.8, for all values, the diode will be in on condition. That is what we have written here. When VA is greater than minus VR, so then the diode is in on condition. So therefore let us draw the equivalent circuit. What is the equivalent circuit? Let us see. The diode is on means it acts as short circuit. It acts as short circuit. So therefore this is the biased voltage which is given to the diode. So let us see what is this. This is minus plus VR. So this is VI. So this is V0. So from network knowledge, what is the output voltage? Since this branch is directly connected to here, so the V0 is equal to minus VR. So this is what we have to mention. So let us write the transfer characteristics. So based on these two circuit conditions, write the transfer characteristic equations. Transfer characteristic equations. As you know that what is the transfer characteristic equation? Very simple equations. The equations between input and output relation, which gives, so therefore V0, what is V0 here clearly mentioned? V0 is equal to Vi. So V0 is equal to Vi. When this will happen? So V0 is equal to Vi when Vi is less than minus VR. So that is from the circuit. It is equal to minus VR when Vi is greater than minus VR. So these are the two conditions. So let us draw the transfer characteristics equations, transfer characteristics graph in fact. So therefore how to draw this? Let us check out very simple graph. So therefore this is the input voltage graph versus output voltage. So because VR, somewhere locate minus VR. Observe these points very carefully because it is a negative bias voltage. So this is 0. So represent minus VR here. So minus VR here. So you can clearly see that from these equations when VI is less than minus VR. So this is the region when VI is less than minus VR. So what is the output voltage? The output voltage when VI is less than minus VR, when VI is less than minus VR. So what is the output voltage? The output voltage V0 is equal to VA. So that means you have to draw a line like this. So when VA is greater than VR, the output is clamped, so that is during the entire region. So you have to draw like this. So this is minus VR. So when VA is less than VR, it is a ramp. So that is V0 is equal to VI. So during this region when VA is greater than VR, the output is clipped to minus VR. So this is the transfer characteristics. So let us draw with the sinusoidal input. So which portion of the waveform is going to be clipped? Let us check it out. So this is the time. So this is the output voltage. Always represent the input with dotted lines, sine wave. Let us check it out which portion of the waveform is going to be clipped. Which portion of the input waveform is going to be clipped. So this is your Vi. Somewhere locate minus VR. So this is minus VR. So let us check it out. When VA is greater than VR, when VA is less than VR. So when VA is less than VR, so what we have to write? So when VA is greater than VR, that means during this portion, when VA, so this is the input voltage greater than VR. So what is the output voltage? Minus VR. Just to represent minus VR here. So this is minus VR. So when VI is less than minus VR, so therefore again during this portion when VA is greater than minus VR, the output is clamped to minus VR. So this is the waveform you have to mention for this input. So let us discuss the third circuit and fourth circuit in the next session. So let us see the third question. Let us see the third question, third circuit. So what is the given circuit? Resistor R. The diode is given like this. The bias into the diode is given like this. So minus plus. So therefore here mention minus plus. So this is VR. So this is V0 of t. So this is Vi of t. So let us discuss the operation of the circuit. I said earlier only two cases. Because negative voltage is given, when VA is less than minus VR, what is the condition of diode? When VA is greater than minus VR, what is the condition of the diode? depending upon the condition of diode on-off condition, the output voltage will come. So that is the way you have to understand the circuit. So let us discuss the first point in this. What is the first point you have to take? When Vi is less than minus Vr. When Vi is less than minus Vr. So you can check that from the circuit. First, let us say you have to understand like this. For example, this is say minus 2 volts. What is the condition? When here the negative voltage is greater than minus 2, for example minus 2.1. So what is the condition of diode? So therefore it will minus 2.1 will make this diode into on condition. So therefore when Vi is less than minus Vr, what is the condition of diode? The condition of diode is on. So therefore the diode is on. So what is the condition of diode? It acts as short circuit because we have taken ideal diode. So short circuit. So since it is acting short circuit, so what is the output voltage? We have to take the output voltage, since we have drawn previous circuit, V0 is equal to minus Vr. Since if we take act as short circuit, what is the output voltage? Simply minus Vr. So let us take the second case. What is the second case? When the input voltage is greater than minus Vr. Let us see what is the condition of diode. So that means minus 2 here. So that is already reverse biased. So therefore minus 2 greater than minus 2. So therefore minus 1.9, minus 1.8, like that for all these values. So the diode will be in off condition. So therefore diode will be in off condition. So therefore it acts as open circuit. So if it acts as open circuit, what is this branch is open? So therefore V0 is equal to Va. Simply you can write V0 is equal to Vi. So let us draw the transfer characteristics equation. Transfer characteristics curves or transfer characteristic equation. So what is this? This is the first write the equations. So therefore what is these equations? V0 equation with respect to Vi. So V0 is equal to minus Vr. When will this happen? When Vi is less than minus Vr from the circuit, and Vi when Vi is greater than minus Vr. So let us draw these equations in the graph. So what is this axis? This axis is Vi. So this is axis is Vi. So this axis is V0. So as I said earlier, minus Vr. Somewhere locate the line minus Vr and draw a straight line like this, dotted line V minus Vr. So how to just represent these equations in the graph? So when Vi is less than, minus Vr, so that means during this region. So what is the output voltage? The output voltage is minus Vr. Say this is minus Vr. So this is the minus Vr line. So during this portion when Vi is greater than minus Vr, so V0 is equal to Vi. So what is V0 is equal to Vi? You have to draw a straight line like this. So this is the transfer characteristics of this circuit. So this is what you have to mention. So let us take a sine wave. Let us see which portion of the waveform is going to be clipped. So very simple. Once you understand the transfer characteristics, first represent the input sine wave with dotted lines. So let us represent minus Vr somewhere. So this is minus Vr somewhere. So draw dotted lines for minus Vr, somewhere locate minus Vr. So when input, this dotted line is the input voltage. So when Va is greater than minus Vr, when Va is less than minus Vr. So just substitute the conditions. When Va is greater than minus Vr, so what is the output? So the output is simply V0 is equal to Vi. So V0 is equal to Vi. When the input is less than minus Vr, the output is clipped to minus Vr. So again during this portion the same waveform will come. So this is the time So V0 of t versus t. So this is what you have to understand from this curves, okay, from these equations. So let us see the fourth circuit. Fourth circuit we have discussed already in shunt clippers. So therefore let us discuss the fourth circuit. So the fourth circuit is very simple. So what is the fourth circuit? Resistor, the diode is given a bias voltage of VR. Here positive voltage is given. Again, I said earlier, there are only two cases when discussing clippers with biasing. So this is input voltage VA of t. So this is the output voltage V0 of t. So let us check the conditions of the diode under two cases. So what is the first case? When input voltage Vi is less than VR, because see here VR is positive. So let us see when the input voltage is less than VR. For example, VR is say 2 volts. For example, when VA is less than, that means here 1.9 is there. That means VA is less than VR. So what is the condition of diode? We can easily say that the diode is in on condition. The diode is in on condition. So therefore it acts as short circuit. It acts as short circuit. So therefore when it acts as short circuit, what is the output voltage? The output voltage is simply V0 is equal to VR. So that is the first case you have to write. Let us take the second case. What is the second case? Simple second case. When Vi is greater than VR. So when VA is greater than VR, for example this is 2 volts. For example it is 2.1 volts. It will reverse bias the diode. So therefore when VA is greater than VR, so what is the condition of diode? The diode will get off. The diode is going to be off. So therefore it acts as open circuit. It acts as open circuit. So therefore what is the output voltage? Simply V0 is equal to VA. So let us draw these things in transfer characteristics graph. Transfer characteristic equations. Transfer characteristic equations. I call this as transfer characteristic equations. What is the simple equations? Let us see. So V0 is equal to VR when this will happen when, so Vi is less than VR, and V0 is equal to Vi when Vi is greater than VR. So let us draw these things in the form of a graph. So what is this axis? This axis is in the input voltage. So this axis is the output voltage. So let us first locate VR because it is positive. Take right side. So VR. Just let us draw a dotted line. This is the biased voltage VR. So when VA is less than, you can clearly see that when VA is less than VR, so that is during this region, what is the output voltage? The output voltage is simply VR. So when VA is greater than VR during this region, so what is the output? V0, so V0 is equal to VA, it is a straight line with the slope 1. So this you have to mention. Again let us see the sine wave and which portion of the sine wave is going to be clipped. So let us close this last one. So this is the input voltage. Always represent the input voltage with the sinusoidal input voltage with the dotted lines. So all these are clipper circuit which clips certain portion of the input waveform. So that is what we are discussing. So this is the output voltage versus time. So this is the dotted line is the input voltage. So somewhere locate VR. So this is VR. Somewhere locate VR because it is positive. Represent on the top. So this is 0. So this is the when this below this straight line VA is less than VR. Above this line VA is greater than VR. So when VA is less than VR, so that means when VA is less than VR, what is the output voltage? VR. So when VA is greater than VR, so V0 is equal to VI. Again during this entire portion VA is less than VR, so therefore the output voltage is clamped to VR. So like that this kind of waveform output will come. So the entire portion below this reference voltage is removed. So this is what we have to write about these 4 circuits and their transfer characteristics in the examination. Thank you.